Today we're going to review this small dehumidifier. We had some serious issue with our room. That's why I bought this dehumidifier. I check on Amazon about this small dehumidifier. People saying a lot of good thing about this product. That's why I buy this one. So we'll see. Open it and we'll try and have a test it and see is it good or not, and we'll do everything in front of you. Okay, here we go. It's small. Previously we have big one, but it's not anymore with us due to some reason, so I bought this one. And let me have it unpacked properly and plug it on. More paper. These are some buttons. So let me plug it on and we'll see then. This is how it looks like. It's plug, power cable, adapter, whatever to say. So I'll plug it on and we'll see. I think that's a power thingy. Okay, it's bluish light and it start working. Light color change, keep changing. You see, it's high. So I will leave it on for a couple of hours and then I'll come back and we'll see what is the result, what is the outcome of this couple of hours progress working capability. These are some functions. Hour, 24 hour, 48 hour, night mode, light, and this is all about. I need to read this booklet properly, then I'll be able to tell you about something in more detail. But let's see. Simply plug in and turn it on, and I'm gonna leave it for a couple of hours, then I'll come back and we'll see. So see you in a couple of hours time. So here we come again. It's 11 hours, nearly an hour. I started 10:30 in the morning and this time is 9:30 evening. And look at that, the water came inside that much. I just read this description saying 47 watts, 18 voltage, 1800 milliliter capacity, and it's quite not very loud, not very noisy. It's a good, but I think it's better for the small room. Our room is quite big, so let me show the window capacity. Also, not window capacity, window situation. This is window. I showed you in the morning. Look at that, it's clean now. That's a better result. Tells you everything honestly, whatever I feel. I'm not very satisfied, never disappointed. I spent just £50 from Amazon. I don't know what else I need to say. If you need to know any more question, you can ask me, and I will upload one more review after a couple of days uses. I think I will upload one more review after 1 week time. So we'll see how does it work in 1 week time. In the meanwhile, please stay blessed, like our channel, subscribe our channel, and hope you like my effort. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.